Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we're giving you an exclusive tour of the executive suite room here at Okada, Manila. One of the most luxurious resorts and casinos in the Philippines. Grabe, ibang level talaga tong room na to. Let's go. Anyway, my brother booked this room to surprise my mom because she has an extended birthday here in Manila and she just arrived from Japan today. Let's go guys! So pagpasok mo pa lang, ramdam mo na agad ang elegance. Look at the space, it's so big. This suite is around 100 to 150 square meters. Look at my mom, she's like super surprised. The room is designed for comfort and class, perfect for relaxation or business trips in style. So that's my dad, and those are my nephews who's joining us for the birthday celebration. So my mom is carrying her money bouquet from my brother. That's my dad looking amazed with the place because it's so big. Parang buong bahay na namin siya sa laki. So there's a lot of rooms and mirrors and yeah, hugging my brother because she was so happy. So he's showing her the toilet or the, how do you call this one? So they have a bathtub and two shower rooms and two toilets, and they also have those curved chairs to relax and one sofa, and of course sink. See, look at this bathroom, diba? Refreshing bathtub, walk-in shower. They also have sinks. They're using an automated toilets used in Japan. So, like, magpa-flush siya mag-isa or bababa siya ng seat cover automatically. So, this is luxury talaga. Also, I didn't show in the video, but they also have robes, slippers, hair dryer, safe, and even a weighing scale. And the beds, we got the I think two queen beds. And they also have this long table here for parties. And then they have a mini bar at the back. So they have this welcome small cake for my mom. And this is the sala or the living room. The mini bar is on the back. So they were just busy like looking around the place and testing the lights. They also have a TV and sala, and yeah. So the view of the room is the city skyline. We didn't get the poolside view. This one will show the Manila skyline and the big window and a study table if you want to do some business. So that's our quick tour of the executive suite room at Okada, Manila.